Differentiation Part 2.
Hi hello everyone, continuation of previous part. So for this session we will discuss few problems based on the first principle. See your first one, f of x is equal to e power x. So this is the given function. Then show that first derivative means f dash of x is e power x. So by using first principle. So see here, so given function, what is f of x? E power x. See here, you know that the first principle is what is the first principle? F dash of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is the first principle. Here you want f of x plus x and f of x. So here f of x is given. So you need to find f of x plus h. See here, replace x by x plus h. So f of x plus h. So write in place of x, x plus x. That is e power x plus h. Now substitute f of x plus h and f of x in the first principle. See here, therefore f dash of x is equals to limit x tends to 0. So what is f of x plus h? That is e power x plus h. So this can be written as e power x into e power h. So write this value, e power x into e power h minus e power x by h. So in both terms e power x is common. This is limit x tends to 0. E power x is common. You will get e power h minus 1 by h. Here e power x not depend on the limit. So write e power x outside the limit. So this is e power x into limit x tends to 0 e power h minus 1 by h. Okay. So clearly you know that since limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x value is 1. So here in place of x, h is there. So clear this value is 1. So this is e power x into 1. You will get f dash of x is equal to what? E power x. So therefore from this we can say that if the given function is e power x, then the derivative of that function is what? E power x. Okay. So see the second one, f of x is log x, then show that whose derivative is 1 by x. So this is very important for 4 marks. Okay. See here, first what is the given function? F of x is equal to what? Log x. So this is the given function. Now replace x by what? X plus h. See here, that is f of x plus h is equal to what? Log of x plus h. Now by first principle, what is the first principle? F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So using this first principle, we can find the derivative of log x. See here, substitute the values of f of x plus h and f of x values in the first principle. So this is limit h tends to 0. So what is f of x plus h value? That is log of x plus h. So log of x plus h minus f of x value, that is log x. So divide by h. Now this can be written as limit h tends to 0. So log a minus log b. This is a and this is b. So you know that log a minus log b form. This is log a by b. So clearly a is x plus h and b is x. So this can be written as log of x plus h divided by x. Again divided by h. And here separate the terms. Okay. That is limit h tends to 0. So log of, see here, x by x plus h by x. So divide by h. Here multiply and divide with x. Now clearly this is what 1 by x. It is not depend on the limit. So write outside the limit. This is 1 by x into limit h tends to 0 log of 1 plus h by x whole divided by h by x. So again this can be written as 1 by x limit h tends to 0. So if it goes to numerator, then it is what? X by h into log of 1 plus h by x. Again this is 1 by x limit h tends to 0. H by x tends to also 0. So h by x tends to 0. This is log of 1 plus h by x whole to the power of what? X by h. That can be written as 1 by h by x. So clearly this value is what? 1. So this is 1 by x into, we will get 1 by x. Now, therefore, derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. If the given function is log x, then whose derivative is what? 1 by x. So this is one of the formula. So see the next problem. F of x is equal to what? X cube. Then find f dash of x. Then find f dash of x by using first principle. See here. First, the given function is x cube. So replace x by x plus h. That means f of x plus h is equal to what? X plus h whole cube. Okay. Now, by using first principle, what is the first principle? F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is the first principle. Next, we have to substitute the both values in first principle. That is limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h? X plus h whole to the power of 3. And what is f of x? X cube. So divide by what? H. See here, you know that limit x tends to x power n minus a power n divided by x minus c. So this is equals to n into a to the power of n minus 1. So we have to use this formula. Now, here add and subtract x. So it in the form of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus c. So this can be written as n into a power n minus 1. So what is n value? So clearly here n is equal to 3 and a is equal to x. So this can be written as n 3 into a power. What is a value? X power n minus 1. 3 minus 1. So this is equal to 3 into x to the power of 1. So this is the derivative of which function? X cube. Okay. So next fourth one. F of x is given. Then find the derivative of the given function by using first principle. See here, the given function is what? F of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Now you need to find f of x plus h. So replace x by x plus h. So f of x plus h is equals to, so write in place of x plus h. That is a into x plus h whole square plus b into x plus h plus c. Now simplify this. So this can be written as a into x square plus h square plus 2xh plus bx plus bh plus c. Again this is what? Ax square plus ah square plus 2axh. Next plus bx plus bh plus c. So this is f of x plus h. Now by first principle, so what is that? F dash of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h? This value. That is ax square plus ah square plus 2axh plus bx plus bh plus c minus f of x, this one. That is ax square plus bx plus c. So divided by h. So plus ax square minus ax square plus bx plus c minus bx minus c gets. So you will get limit h tends to 0. So here in all terms h is common. H times of ah plus 2ax plus b divided by h gets. Now apply the limit. So this is a into g plus 2ax plus b. Therefore f dash of x is equal to what? 2ax plus b. So this is the derivative of the given function ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So see the next question. F of x is equal to root x plus b. See a solution. Given f of x is equal to what? Root x plus b. Now replace x by x plus h. See here f of x plus h is equal to what? Root of x plus h plus c. Okay. Now by using first principle, so what is the first principle? F dash of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now substitute the both values in the first principle. So this is limit h tends to 0. So what is f of x plus h value? Root of x plus h plus 1 minus root x plus 1 divided by h. See here, root values are involved in the limit function. Then we have to do rationalize here. So that is multiply and divide with root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1. Again divide with root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1. Now it in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So here that can be written as limit x tends to 0 root x plus h plus 1 whole square. Next minus root x plus 1 whole square. So divide by h into root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1. Here square root get cancelled. So this is limit h tends to 0 x plus h plus 1 This is minus x minus divided by h into root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1. x1 get cancelled. H also get cancelled. Okay. Now this is limit x tends to 0 1 by this value root x plus h plus 1 plus root x plus 1. Now apply the limit value. So this is equals to 1 by root x plus 1 plus root x plus 1. So therefore the derivative of the given function is 1 by 2 root x plus 1. So this is the derivative of the given function. So next to see the sixth one, given function is sin 2x. So find derivative of this function by using first principle. So see here, sixth solution. Given f of x is equals to what? Sin 2x. Now replace x by x plus h. So write in place of x, x plus h. So f of x plus h is equals to what? Sin 2 of x plus h. So this is sin 2x plus 2h. So this is the f of x plus h value. Now you know that f dash of x is equals to what? Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is the first principle. Now substitute the both values. This is equals to limit h tends to 0. So what is f of x plus h value? Sin of 2x plus 2h. Sin of 2x plus 2h minus f of x value, that is sin 2x. So divide by h. So clear it in the form of sin c minus sin d. See, you know that sin c minus sin d form. This is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d. So we have to use this formula here. C is 2x plus 2h and d is what? 2x. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0. See here, 2 cos c plus d. Add both of them. You will get 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 2h divided by 2. And sin of, subtract both of them. So 2x get cancelled. You will get only 2h divided by 2. So again divided by what? H. Here 2 get cancelled. Now 2 is not depend on the limit. So write outside the limit. So this is 2 into limit x tends to 0. So how to write this one? So divide with 2. You will get cos 4x by 2. You will get 2x plus 2h by 2. You will get h into sin h by h. Sin h by h. And apply the limit first separate. You will get 2 into limit x tends to 0 cos 2x plus h into limit x tends to 0 sin h by h. So this is equals to 2 into, apply the limit value, you will get cos 2x. You know that limit x tends to 0 sin x by x value is 1. So clear this value also. So this is therefore f dash of x is equals to what? 2 cos 2x. So this is the derivative of the function sin 2x. See here next seventh one. Given function is tan 2x. See here f of x is equals to tan 2x. Again replace x by what? X plus h. So f of x plus h is equals to what? Tan 2 times of x plus h. So this is equals to tan 2x plus 2h. Okay. So therefore we know that f dash of x is equals to what? Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, and substitute the both functions in the first function. So this is limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h value? Tan 2x plus 2h minus what is f of x value? Tan 2x. So divided by h. So you know that tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So this is limit h tends to 0. This is sin 2x plus 2h divided by cos 2x plus 2h minus this one sin 2x by cos 2x. So all divided by h. And take LCM. What is the LCM here? Limit h tends to 0. Here LCM is what? H into cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. See, multiplying these two. Sin 2x plus 2h cos 2x minus multiplying these two. Cos 2x plus 2h sin 2x. So clearly in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We know that sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this formula is sin of A minus B. So A is equals to x plus 2h and B is equals to x. So this can be written as limit h tends to 0 sin of A minus B, 2x plus 2h minus 2x. So 2x get cancelled. So 2h only left. So divide by this one. That is h into cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2. And apply the limit for separately. Apply limit for sin 2h by h and 1 by cos terms. So this is limit h tends to 0 sin 2h by h into limit h tends to 0 1 by cos 2x plus 2h cos 2x. So you know that limit x tends to sin ax by x. So value is what? Quotient of x. That is 2. So this answer is 2 into 1 by, apply limit for second function. This is cos 2x plus 0 into cos 2x. So this is what? 2 by cos 2x into cos 2x. Cos square 2x. So this is 2 into 1 by cos square x can be written as sec square x. This is 2 sec square 2x. So this is the derivative of the given function tan 2x. So see the next one, f of x is equal to x sin x. See our solution. The given function is f of x is equal to what? X sin x. Now replace x by what? X plus h. So write in place of x, x plus h. Here also x plus h. That is f of x plus h is equal to. So in place of x, write x plus h. X plus h into sin of again write x plus h. So multiplying these two. X sin of x plus h plus h into this one. H sin of x plus h. So this is the f of x plus h function. So therefore, you know that f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So substitute the both the function in the first principle. So this is equals to limit x tends to 0. So what is f of x plus h value? This one. X sine of x plus h plus h sine of x plus h minus f of x, that is x sine x. So divide by h. So clearly from the first and last term x is common. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0. So x is common, you will get sine of x plus h minus sine x. Next, plus h into sine of x plus h divided by h. And separate the terms. So you will get limit h tends to 0. X into sine of x plus h minus sine x divided by h plus h into sine x plus h by h. H into sine x plus h by h. H get cancelled. And apply the limit for both the functions. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0, x into sine of x plus h minus sine x divided by h plus limit for second function plus limit x tends to 0 sine of x plus h. So clearly first one, it is in the form of sin c minus sin d. That is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Now x not depend on the limit, right outside the limit. X into limit x tends to 0 sin c minus sin d. That is 2 cos, add these two terms, c plus d, x plus h plus x. That is 2x plus h by 2 into sin c minus d, x plus h minus x get cancel, h by 2. So divide by h plus, so apply limit for second function, sin x plus g, you will get sin x. Okay. Now here 2 is not depend on the limit, right outside the limit. This is 2x into limit x tends to 0 cos 2x plus h by 2 and apply limit for second function sin h by 2 by h. This is limit into limit h tends to 0 sin 1 by 2 h by h. Okay. H by 2 write as 1 by 2 into h plus sin x and apply the limit for this function. This is 2x into, apply limit for cos 2x plus h by 2, that is cos 2x plus 0 by 2. Apply limit for this function. So clearly coefficient of h is 1 by 2, so answer is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus sin x. So these two get cancelled, these two also get cancelled. So this is equals to x cos x plus sin x. So this is the derivative of the function x sin x. See the question number 9. F of x is equals to what? Cos square x. So first x replaced by x plus h. This is f of x plus h is equals to what? Cos square x plus h. So you know that f dash of x is equals to what? Limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Substitute the both functions in given limit, that is limit x tends to 0. So what is f of x plus h? Cos square x plus h. Cos square x plus h minus f of x. cos square x. So divide by h. So it is the form of cos square b minus cos square a form. So you know that cos square b minus cos square a formula is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So this is equals to limit x tends to 0 cos square b minus cos square a. What is that formula? Sin of a plus b. Sin of, what is a here? This is a. X plus b is what? X plus h into sin of a minus b. So this one minus this. X minus of x plus h. So divide by this x will cancel. Now this is limit x tends to 0. This is what? Sin 2x plus h. And this is what? Sin of minus h divided by h. And apply limit for both the functions. This is equals to limit x tends to 0. Sin 2x plus h. Sin 2x plus h into limit x tends to 0. Sin minus h by h. That is sin of minus 1 into h by h. So apply limit. So this is sin 2x plus 0. So what is the value of this? Quotient of h is minus 1. So answer is minus 1. Okay. So therefore this is what? Minus sin 2x. So this is the derivative of cos square x. So try to solve these questions. For next session we will discuss more concept.